Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Eva, stop.
£53 just for a snack.
Is it done? It's starting to rain.
Do I have to say the person's name who asked the question or not?
No.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you can tell, obviously you can tell that we're actually in my car at the moment and I'm doing a mukbang, and actually I have a special guest today on my channel. Eva, my sister,
Hello.
is here for a mukbang. We're at the moment we're currently
only here for the free food.
Yeah, I've had to promise her that I'm going to buy her McDonald's because we're doing a mukbang. And yeah, at the moment we're currently in Asda car park because we've just been to Asda. So our McDonald's is only about a 5-minute drive. So we're going to drive to McDonald's and we're going to do a mukbang. We've got some questions over on my Instagram. So make sure to follow my Instagram if you want.
Also mine.
Yeah, make sure that you follow my Instagram if you want to get involved in these kind of things in the future, because that's where I do all my questions. And yeah, so we're going to drive to McDonald's and I'll see you when we're there. Okay, so we're just driving in now.
How do we get in? That way. He's good. No, there is.
And now we queue.
Oh, now he's reversing. What do we do now?
It's definitely an interesting experience. So what's your order, Eva?
I'm going to have 20 nuggets and a Coke.
Yeah.
A large Coke.
I think I'm going to get a double cheeseburger and some nuggets, because why not? I haven't had any nuggets from McDonald's nuggets.
Oh, barbecue sauce as well.
But I haven't had any McDonald's nuggets for like however long, so that's a need. And chips and Diet Coke.
You're going to get a cheeseburger meal, basically.
Basically, I'm going to get a cheeseburger meal and yeah. Right, we're moving.
I'm excited for McDonald's.
How embarrassing.
I've been deprived after 4 months of not having it.
How embarrassing will it be if I stall right now?
You probably are likely to stall, so...
Okay, so we've just switched to my sister's phone. What phone have you got?
iPhone 7.
iPhone 7.
Just
I've
a
got,
smaller version.
Yeah, I've got a 7 Plus. So I'm hoping the quality hasn't changed because my storage was low and it wouldn't let me film. So hopefully the quality shouldn't be any different. So we're in the queue still. We're getting there. We're in the actual bit now, aren't we? We've got a bit further. Oh, Eva, what about mozzarella dippers? I might get some of them as well.
To share?
Yeah, should we get some of them to share? So
we're going to go over...
Anyway. We're going. Oh, the wasp. It's funny. Oh, is my video up yet?
Hi, can I take your order, please?
Hiya, can I get a double cheeseburger medium meal with chips and Diet Coke?
Yeah.
Can I get...
20 nuggets.
We're getting 20?
20 nuggets for me.
20 nuggets box. And a 9 nuggets box.
Yeah. And a large Diet Coke.
A large Diet Coke. And some mozzarella dippers. Is that everything?
Barbecue ketchup.
Barbecue, ketchup.
That's it, but quite a bit of it.
Can we have like 2 of each, please?
If not more.
Helen?
That's it.
Yeah, that's everything.
Okay, right, so you're ready to put that on
Thank you.
Only £14 we just spent.
It's not bad, is it? 14 quid.
I don't know if she clicked it all on then.
I think she did. Just leave it on.
This is the worst McDonald's in our area.
The worst McDonald's?
Yeah, they always... This is the one that didn't give you your donut.
Yeah, once they didn't. I went to McDonald's. I think I came personally to get
A coffee and donut.
a coffee and a
donut.
donut. I think it was when they had the reindeer coffee thing. And I remember because I spilt my latte on the way home. I got a latte.
She threw a paddy when she got home.
I wasn't happy. It was a very bad experience. I mean, it's my fault that I spilt it, but I spilt like the whole latte because in the bottom of my car I've got like a little phone holder bit that has literally got enough to fill, like it's quite a deep thingy. So yeah, I spilt my latte and then I realised once I'd driven off that they didn't put my donut in, and I paid for that donut as well, and I never got the donut. But Mum did the next time she was out. She got me a donut from McDonald's, didn't she?
Yeah, only because I wanted food.
Because I was in such a bad mood because
she
I wanted a donut.
Came home and honestly, like, started crying about this donut.
I wasn't happy. I think I must have been on my period or something. Like, I don't know, but yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go and when we got on McDonald's, we're gonna go park up
in the fuel station.
And then we're going to eat at McDonald's, and Eva's got some questions on my Instagram. Yeah.
I'm going to be the quiz master, but just the question master.
Oh, isn't it cool though as well? Because my phone's in the video, because my phone's normally filming.
That's
So
really sad.
my phone and my lovely little peach case and my driving license. Oops.
You might have to
yeah.
blur it out now.
You can take it out if you want.
Embarrassed to do this, by the way.
Don't know why you're embarrassed. You just got to get on with it. Get on with life.
Why? £14.53. Just for a snack.
Thank you. The Venga bus is coming.
Hey,
everybody's jumping.
£14.53 that was. Your phone's just told you.
It's not bad, is it? £14.53 and all that food.
I think if you split everything through, because that's a drink, 29 nuggets and a meal. I hope they clicked it all through.
I hope so. If not, I'll be hungry. Oh, I won't be hungry.
It'll be your 9
enough
nuggets
anyway.
if anything they forgot.
Yeah, well, I'm not that fussed if I don't get my 9 nuggets. I'll just have
Well,
some of yours.
you're going to be fussed if you pay for it and they didn't give you your 9 nuggets.
Oh yeah, well, it'd be like a donut incident again, wouldn't it?
I'm going to go home and work out after this.
I did my workout this morning.
I've done one of them this morning.
I'm also thinking, like, can you hear how loud my engine is?
We have good
Doesn't
news.
sound fab, does it?
No. Hayley's fitness videos are going to go skyrocketing soon. We have the home gym, don't we?
Wait, it's not really a home gym.
It will be by the end of the week.
We're just converting our garage into a home gym. It's not really a home gym, but Eva's calling it a home
It will be a gym by the end of the week. We're getting all the equipment and everything in.
Yeah. Also, I just want to address, do you think me and my sister look alike? I mean, I've got a full face of makeup on right now, but I think we get
that.
quite a lot of comments that we look
We've been
alike.
called twins once before, and
Yeah.
Hayley gets very offended when
I
we get
do,
called.
because I'm 6 years older than her, so I'm like, no way am I getting called that I look like that. Sorry.
Why wouldn't
No,
you
but
wanna
we
look
do.
like
I
me?
think we've got similar mouths, haven't
That
we?
person in the car, like, they're like staring at us.
They're not.
Yeah, the one in the back of the car, they can see it.
Oh, free time. Hiya.
It's a great day.
Drinks.
The Coke is the size of my...
Hopefully we can fit it all in because I have quite a small car. I have a sack, so.
Hayley, it's not like we're not going to be able to fit the food in you.
Yeah, true.
That's the first one. I've got another one.
Okay, thank you.
That's awful, we've got 2 bags of food.
Well, hopefully that means we got everything then.
Yeah, we're just waiting for my nuggets.
Thank you.
And we got mozzarella thing.
I ordered them.
Oh, we get the tomato dip with the mozzarella. Don't go too fast.
Did we get everything? We did.
Yeah,
Quite quick. I'm not gonna lie, I've
I
seen,
think that's quicker than that
Yeah.
McDonald's normally.
and I've seen a lot
Just
of,
pull up your rear, I reckon.
and I've seen a lot of videos like here.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of like mukbang videos and stuff where people have queued for like 45 minutes to like
I
an
think
hour.
it's probably because it's been open for a week or so now.
Yeah. Okay. I'm back on my phone now because
Mine
Eva's
just died.
phone storage was not cool.
Can we have the mozzarella dippers, please? Because they're
Okay.
better hot. And can I have some tomato dippers? Do you get like 3 mozzarella dippers?
Yeah, so I'm having to.
You can have 1.5 each.
Double
Sharing,
cheeseburger.
sharing. Can I have the dip?
Oh, so this is all mine, isn't it?
Yeah, that's all yours.
What do you want?
The dip, the tomato dip, ketchup and a barbecue.
Don't know where to start.
Can I have one of them, please? I've missed shit quality food. Right. First question. Have you and your sister always been good friends? Not at all.
No. Oh,
Like-
legal. Fuck off, Ham.
We do not get along at all.
No, we don't. We can do, like, but not very often. We fight like cat and dogs.
I can't open my salsa.
Go on, next question.
What can't you wait to do when lockdown is over? Get away from her. I've spent every day of 12 weeks with Hayley, and it's like a full-time nannying job.
Personally,
Ah!
I think that what I can't wait to do is probably go travelling because that's what I want to do anyway.
I can't
maybe-
wait. I've got one.
What?
Can't wait to go back and work at festivals and all that sort of thing because I'm missing that
I'm
now.
also looking forward to working back at the pub that I work at because I miss all the locals and sounds sad, but yeah, I miss all the people that I work with.
I want to go back to another concert.
Friends and things like that. And generally like seeing friends that we can't normally. I know I've seen a few friends recently in the last couple of weeks because the lockdown rules were lifted a little bit, but I still miss seeing all of my friends. I haven't seen my whole group yet, so yeah.
Are you close? No.
No, we've just said that. We're not really close, are we? We're not. We get on. We can get on. Like, if we can.
If we put our mind to it, we can get on.
If we put our mind to it, we can get on. And if we're in an all right mood, then we will get on. But yeah, like we said.
What's your biggest goal?
I'm not very good at things like this. I don't really think I have goals in life. Like, I'm a pretty happy, like, I kind of
Happy-go-lucky.
I wing life, yeah.
Hayley is a wing it.
I wing it, like, I'm not really like, yeah, like I want to travel and things like that. I haven't really got any goals. I don't really know what I want to do. I've worked with kids before, but that's finished now. But I don't really know what I want to do. I'm just going to kind of go travelling, see what happens, see who I meet. Never know, I might meet the love of my life.
I doubt it.
I reckon.
How old am I?
Oh, we haven't taken camera yet.
Oh, how old am I? I am 17. No, yeah, I'm 17. I was just 17 in February. That's really bad.
Yeah, she's 17. Right, we need to take a thumbnail before we do this. Turn it off.
No, you can take it. There's a white button there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to get my burger.
The banger bus is coming. No, you're not meant to have the burger open.
Yeah, I'm going to open the burger up and hold the burger up. What is that? How are we going to do this with holding the things?
Oh, we have to do timer.
Really?
No, go back and do it on timer.
That's
No,
right.
that looks awful.
Okay, we're just taking some thumbnail. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Okay, so we've just taken thumbnail pictures and then my phone storage played up again, so we had to delete some photos. So, back.
Right, the
Right,
next question is, where is the first holiday destination you're planning on going after lockdown / corona?
Like I said, I want to go travelling and I want to do Thailand. So the next, I've
You're
kind of
meant
got.
to be going away in a few weeks, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm meant to be going to Nice in France in a couple of weeks' time, but I'm not end of July. So it'll either be there if we get to go, which I'm hoping we get to go because yeah, and if not, it will be when I want to go travelling. I want to do Thailand, so it'll be Bangkok. That'll be I've got like a little plan of where I want to go. So yeah.
I'm not 100% sure yet. I normally go away in October, so if I go away in October, it'll probably be like Canaries. We went to Ibiza last October, or somewhere, yeah, sunny in October.
First nugget.
Brilliant things. Right. What is your favourite alcoholic beverage?
Gin. I said this before in quite a few of my videos, just like get to know me and things. It's always a gin lemonade.
I'm either... Actually, at the moment I'm on cider, so probably cider.
Alcoholic 17-year-old.
Yeah, not that we promote underage drinking.
No, we don't promote underage drinking, do we either?
Wait, have we done your life dreams?
We did goals,
We're
so...
running out, yeah. Haley, where did you lose your purse?
I'm not going to answer this question because one of my friends asked me this. So the question is, where did I lose my purse? And if you're one of my friends, you will know the answer to this question and you'll find it hilarious. But if you don't know...
I don't know, that's why she's not saying.
Yeah, if you don't know, you'll never know.
Next question is, what's the worst argument you've had together?
The worst thing.
I don't know.
The worst argument.
We just have like little niggly things, don't we?
Yeah, but we're quite aggressive, aren't we? We like to kick.
We're both as stubborn as each other, so if something happens, we won't talk to each other. Or like, Haley will then go to me, why are you annoyed at me? Like 4 days later.
Not true.
Yeah.
Right, next question. I'm not like that one.
Boyd. Oh, we're going to do quick fire.
No, we haven't finished them yet.
Yeah, we've got one left from Claire.
No, the other ones. That wasn't
Done all them. Yeah.
I know that.
Yeah, they're all like, what's your
Okay.
McDonald's order?
We didn't do that.
Well, we ordered on McDonald's. Do you ever have sibling rivalry?
No, I don't think we're not jealous of each other, are we? We're quite different in...
Yeah, we're really different.
Like, in a way, we're kind of similar. There are ways that we're similar, but we're not...
We're both into fitness and that sort of thing, but we're not like...
We don't get competitive or
No,
jealous
we're not
of...
similar people. I'm gonna...
Yeah, it's getting really hot in here. I've also got like thick jeans on, so...
Whereas like... So we got another sister. I think me and her are more alike.
No, I think Kate's quite different.
Oh no, you can't put that in it.
Kate's quite different. Kate
No.
went to uni and did things in life.
That's why she's not here. She's probably the most successful out of all of us.
Maybe one day we can do a mukbang with Kate in the back, or you be in the back maybe.
One day after Corona, because she doesn't live with us at the moment.
But I don't think Kate would join. I think she'd be like, no, I'm not being in your video.
She doesn't eat McDonald's as well, so that's probably another given.
Bit healthier, bit skinnier, isn't it? Not there's anything wrong with that. Every size is beautiful.
I'm a skinny bitch.
Next question.
So I'm gonna do some quick fire questions for Hayley. I'm gonna think of some. What's your go-to Costa order?
The Costa opened recently, like 3 weeks ago or so. And I've been working near a Costa, so I have been quite tempted to go there. I would
Gone there at
say
least 3 times a week.
it depends what mood I'm in. If I want a coffee, I'll get an iced coffee, an iced soy vanilla latte. So there's that. Or then if I don't want a coffee, I'll have a peach iced tea. And I did recently, last week, have because it was a bit more miserable and I wanted a warm drink, I had an oatmeal vanilla latte, and that was nice as well. So those are my kind of 3 go-tos at the moment.
Starbucks.
Oh, Starbucks. Again, I had I went there the other day and I had a caramel macchiato.
Iced caramel macchiato.
Caramel macchiato.
That's only because of my record. That's what I have.
No, it wasn't. No, I had that because lovely girl called Emma, who also has a YouTube channel. We've got like a little group chat. And we were talking about Starbucks, and I was saying that I'm a coffee wimp. I only really like coffee with like syrup and things in it, so I like it sweet. And she works in Starbucks, and she was saying that if you like sweet things, you would like this. So the next day
I think that's why I drink it.
So the next day I was like, I'm going to try that. So yeah, I will link Emma's channel down below because I love her video. She does loads of great content.
Alongside my Instagram and my TikTok account.
This is the thing, she's only doing this with me today because she wants to plug her Instagram and her TikTok, and because she wants free food, so.
Yeah, I create some great quality TikToks. Hayley sometimes in them.
No.
Another question.
I've got loads left, I've got nuggets left.
I'm dumb. I just got a bit of
still
drink there.
6 nuggets left. I've also been thinking recently, did you take a nugget? No.
No, I took some ketchup.
Oh. I've been thinking I want to do a Primark trip soon, but I'm just a bit unsure. I'm like, do I really want to go to Primark? And if I'm going to go,
it's a good 40 minutes plus away from us.
Yeah, if I'm going to go, there's 2 near us. There's a big one in Cabot Circus.
No, but I tell people where we live.
Yeah, but people won't know where we are. We could live anywhere near there. We could live in Bristol. We could live like in Avonmouth. We could live.
Name all the places in Bristol.
Like there are loads of places like around.
We do not live in Bristol.
We don't live in Bristol, so
bring those ketchup.
So yeah, I want to go, but okay. So we'll just say, so there's a small
one
one near
20 minutes
us,
away from us.
Yeah, which isn't the best one. It's probably not worth going to. Or if I was there anyway, then I would go to it. But it's not the best. It's a bit of a hit and miss Primark. But if I was going to go for a big trip, I would definitely go to Cabot Circus.
Right, I've got a question for you. What do you like the most about me?
The hard one. Where are my chips? Who eat them? Sorry, my phone storage again cut out, so we're going to have to finish this in a minute because I think we're nearly.
Right.
So what do I most like about Eva? I don't know, this is a really hard one.
We don't really talk to each other, do we?
We don't really have deep, meaningful conversations.
No.
So, okay, so I'm just going to quickly end the video here. I've got like 3 nuggets left, but
2 nuggets.
Yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the mukbang. Let me know down below if you would like to see more mukbangs. Maybe we could do a KFC mukbang. We do have a KFC near us, so we could.
KFC, so we're not doing that.
Okay, maybe not, but we could do another McDonald's mukbang or something like that. So yeah, don't forget to check out Eva's socials, and yeah, I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye guys.